Okay, we're going to take a look at this Yamaha CR-2020 receiver today. I do have a CD player. Actually, it's a DVD player, but we're going to use it as a CD player. It's hooked up to the auxiliary input of the receiver. We'll look more at the back in a minute, but we also have an antenna, like a short antenna plugged in, which will come with the unit, and a couple of cheap speakers plugged in too. They'll do the job though. Cosmetically, the front panel, very good condition. No issues. There are lights that come on. Now we're in the dark, and I'll turn the stereo on. And you can see here the lights that come on. And there is also a light on the tuner as well. So all 3 meters have lighting, as does the tuner. All right, speaking of tuner, we'll go ahead and try that first. We'll go to tuner on the selector switch here. And as I turn the knob,
and if you get back together and try again, what makes you think
this little light right here,
well, I just have
it says station. That's the easiest way to tell that you're like getting on a station.
the things that I need.
You can also see this right here. Both channels work.
I don't have a bad record at all in my life, not by any stretch of the imagination.
The tuner performs very well. It's nice and clear. And it would perform even better if you had a real antenna on here.
For Oscar, and good night to you. Thanks for hanging out. It means a lot.
That one was a little weak.
In the rock, my brother, there's honey in the rock for you. Leave your sins for the blood to cover.
All right, so that's the tuner. It works fine. Now we're going to go over to auxiliary, volume down, and we'll come over here to the DVD player, which is going into the aux. Put in a Pixies disc. All right, disc in, we'll play. Okay, now cosmetically, it's in really good shape. The cabinet, this grill right here is in awesome shape. And the cabinet, there is, I don't know, there's like a minor imperfection right here that you can see. And look, there's maybe one little thing here. Really, like one of those stain pens would make that nearly invisible. Be a little something there, but overall it's like super clean. So yeah, I mean it functions fine, as you can see from that demo. Let's turn around, we'll take a look at the back of it. All right, here's the back. This is the antenna we were running off of just now. Just this little small piece of wire here going to this little whatever. But yeah, you could like substitute some other better antenna for that. That's about the bare minimum antenna you'd want to use right there. It has the 3 outlets there, A, B, and C sets of speakers. And here's all your inputs and stuff. And antenna connectors. So you can see it's in good condition. Here's serial number 15289, Hamatsu, Japan. 480 watts. That's power usage anyways. So yeah, really nice stereo, and it works really well. Very clean. We'll look at the bottom real quick too. Okay, here's the bottom of the unit. Equally clean. It has all six feet. And yeah, no issues down here. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. Really nice unit. Looks like there might be a little ding right there on the cabinet, but I mean, that's a really minor thing. Thanks for watching.